Kwa dhi mbele nyakoromoga jiwang dwaro mar chopo kare chik majiwo kwan marom mar joma chiwo kod mine lemo mag telo mideno ni two-third gender rule oyudo jip bang' jood bura ma pacho ka keto maine neno ni dwaro no ochopo kare. Spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula wacho ni kata obedo ni dwaro no pok ochopo kare kinde mokalo, piny Kenya osego ndama neno ni tend mine omi peke thurka. Wetangula ne wuoyo e boma ma Naivasha kama noyawo ayanga romo mar jood bura ma mine e bwo riwruok mar Kenya Women Parliamentary Association, nyasi mabende no yuore gi Spika ma Senate Amazon Kingi kod jatend migao mar chwech Aisha Jumwa. Duto mabende no puoyo kwan joma mine mayudo koe mag siasa mosebedo ka medore e pachuka.
So on the onset, anything that brings women to parity with men, I will support, regardless of who brings it or how it is brought, because like Obama said, you cannot win a game if you are playing with half of your team outside the field. You cannot have a team of the first 11 and you field 6 men and leave out 5 women, or field 5 women and leave out 6 men. You must have a team.
You, honorable members, bear witness to the fact that in all our duties at the Senate and its diverse committees and panels, women legislators play key roles and exercise their leadership potential to the fullest. This we shall continue to do as and when occasion demands. Inevitably, we must come to the consensus that unless women achieve equal status within governance and political structures, our efforts to strengthen the democratic base and expedite crucial social and political reforms will be hamstrung.